There's vino and the odd beer, rich view 96 besides me and my lonesome, killing time to getting pissed. Charcuterie, good bread and butter on the night. Anybody else could ever cry at my meal tonight. Here's they're just chillin', singing side by side. Half-eaten produce from another night. Left before dates and that I will ignore. Couple carrots, dairy leaves and alcohol. Yeah, but that's my life behind the refrigerator door. Hiding from coronavirus, it's only 3 weeks old. I heated ones of panic buys, and now I'm in the cold. The list of what food I need, but delivery's no way. I play my part of sitting on my arse while the NHS is strained. Here's they're just chillin', singing side by side. Half-eaten produce from another night. Left before dates and that I will ignore. Couple carrots, dairy leaves and alcohol. Yeah, but that's my life behind the refrigerator door. As time flies by, resources running dry, till it's empty top to bottom and the tin goods get a try. 'Cause they're just chillin' and sitting side by side. Half-eaten produce from another night. Bells before dates and that I will ignore. Couple carrots, dairy leaves and alcohol. Yeah, but that's my life behind the refrigerator door. Behind the refrigerator door.